Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain how you can add money to your Greenlight card. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, of course, you're going to go ahead and launch the Greenlight app. So launch the Greenlight app on your device and log into your account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and navigate to funding. So tap on the panel dashboard and then select add funds or funding option. Okay, you'll find this in the parent dashboard. And then if you haven't already done this, you can go ahead and link a funding source. So just connect your bank account or debit card by, entering the required details. And you want to basically go ahead and choose the amount. So you're going to specify how much money you want to add to your Greenlight parent wallet. And then after you do this, you can go ahead to your child's profile and tap on their Greenlight card, right? You're going to select send money and choose the amount you want to transfer. Then what you can do is you can double check the details and could confirm the transaction. And then what's going to happen is the funds will instantly be available on the card. Just go ahead and confirm that transfer, and that's it, guys. Your child will be ready to spend appropriately using the Greenlight card. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.